In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a zip file on OneDrive. Let's dive right in and make sharing easy and efficient for you. To begin, we need to access the OneDrive service. We'll start by heading over to Microsoft's official website. Once you're on their homepage, you'll want to locate the Sign In button. This button is your key to unlocking all the services Microsoft offers, including OneDrive. Upon clicking Sign In, you'll be asked to input your email address. Be sure to enter the email linked to your Microsoft account. Accuracy here is crucial, as mistakes could lead to access issues. Once you've carefully typed in your email, the next button will guide you to the password entry stage. Take your time here to ensure you enter your password correctly. Multiple incorrect attempts might lock you out, so precision is essential. After entering your credentials, you will encounter an option to stay signed in. If you're on a personal and secure device, selecting Yes can save you time during future logins. However, if you're on a shared or public computer, it's best to choose No and protect your account's security. With your login success, it's time to find OneDrive. Click on All Microsoft to reveal a comprehensive list of services and applications. From there, pinpoint and click on OneDrive, your go-to destination for cloud storage and file sharing. Should you find yourself signed out or using a different device, you might need to sign in again specifically for OneDrive. Just follow the prompts and you'll be back to sharing files before you know it. Now, within OneDrive's interface, click on Home to make sure you're on the main dashboard. Here, you have access to all your stored files and folders. Navigate to My Files. This section hosts all your uploads, including the zip file you wish to share. If the file isn't immediately visible, take advantage of the search function to locate it swiftly. Once you've identified the zip file, click on it, which will display several options. Focus on the Share button. This is critical for distributing your selected file. By clicking Share, a menu opens, allowing you to specify who will receive the file. You can enter names, email addresses, or even select entire groups, offering flexible sharing options for both individuals and larger audiences. The next step is to click on Send. This action finalizes your effort by sending an email to your recipients containing a link for them to access and download the file. That's it. You've successfully shared a zip file on OneDrive. Before we wrap up, here are some tips to enhance your sharing experience. Remember, you can manage permissions for shared files, giving you control over whether recipients can view or edit them. Also, if security is a concern, consider using OneDrive's Personal Vault for sensitive or personal files. Sharing through OneDrive not only simplifies collaboration but also protects your files in the cloud. Now, you're equipped to share any zip file with ease, helping you collaborate with friends, family, or colleagues hassle-free.